what's up? Welcome back to our channel, Le Rythme Français. So today we have a new member with us whose name is Rahul Sachdeva. So let's see, why is he here with us today?
Hello guys, my name is Rahul Sachdeva and I'm one of the team members of Le Rythme Français. You haven't seen me before. I have completed my C1 level in French from Alliance Française de Delhi. Today we will be explaining you the process of police clearance certificate, which means PCC. So how to register yourself and apply for PCC. So Prachi will also be guiding us with the steps. So let's start. Moving on, c'est parti.
Rahul, could you please share the screen for us?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
So guys, the first step and the very important step is to go on the website of pcc.delhipolice.gov.in. Guys, remember that it is the website for Delhi Police. So we are going to guide you for the Delhi Police. We are not sure if it's the same for others or not. So let's start.
So I'm repeating once again the website. So pcc.delhipolice.gov.in. So guys, first we have to register ourselves. We have to register by an email. So I choose my personal email ID, rahulsachdeva043@gmail.com. Guys, I request you don't send an email on that email ID. Okay. So first we have to put our email ID and we have to select the verification code button, and we have to click on it, and after that we will see that the page like that, and then we have to put over there the code verification, and then we have to submit. And after that,
when you will put your email ID, you will get a code on your email ID that you have to put there, and then you will click on submit, and then we will be taken to the next page which Rahul will show us.
This page we are talking about.
Exactly.
So Prachi, my first question is, what we have to select in the user type, individual or organization?
Because you are applying for an individual PCC, so you will be clicking on individual and not organization.
Okay. So my name and email ID and the password, we have to generate a new password.
Yes, you have to generate a new password, and don't try to memorize it. Don't forget your password.
Okay. And then mobile number, and then we have to enter a code shown above, right?
Exactly.
And we have to sign up. So
and after signing up, we will be taken to the next page, which is
application form for police clearance certificate by an Indian, which means PCC certificate. So first we have to select like Mr. and Miss and Mrs. whatever you are.
That means you need to add your normal details.
Yes. So my name is Rahul Sachdeva and my father name is Jaswantlal Sachdeva, and then date of birth.
So you can randomly select Rahul any date of birth. Guys, you need to fill in, of course, your date of birth that is in your proof, identity proof or anything. So you have to fill it real. We are just going to do it imaginary. Okay.
And here we have to put our address, right?
Exactly.
XYZ. Okay. So Prachi, what we have to put over there?
So this is the applicant's residing period. The name suggests residing periods from the time you have been living in that particular address. For example, you have written an address, so you have to write from the period from which you have been living in that particular address. For example, if you have shifted 1 month ago, which is your permanent address, so you just write that address. If you have been living there for 20 years, then you have to write the date from this year to this year. That means obviously present. In under the to, you will write the present date, but from will be decided since the date you have started living in that particular address. So which is very important.
Okay, Prachi. So can I select over there like random date? So I have already selected like
yes. For
June
example,
97.
Yes, this means that in June 97 you have came to that place. You came to that place and you have been a resident of that place since June 1997 till now. So today's
Till
date.
now. 11
Perfect.
2020. Okay, so Prachi, we need to add more than one address here.
No, it is not required. So you don't need to fill that.
If I have more than one mention or one.
Yes, if you have more than one address on your, for example, Aadhaar card or anything, your bill number, anything, then you can add it. But obviously, it is not mandatory. So when the verification will happen, you can then show it to them.
Okay, so here we have to select a nationality, obviously Indian. So Aadhaar card number, is it mandatory, Prachi?
No, it's not mandatory. You can, if you want, you can write it. If you don't want, you can leave it.
Okay, I write it just like that. So the police station, I can choose Vivek Vihar. Okay, and the district is automatically selected by the system thanks to our technology. So Vivek Vihar and Shadra.
So police
Okay.
station, you should select, guys, your nearest police station. It doesn't mean that if you are staying in, suppose Shadra, you are selecting Paschim Vihar. It's not possible. So you have to select your nearest police station, which is very important. So don't select just random police station.
Yes. So mobile number, registered mobile number, guys, and email ID, registered email ID. I put here the Rahul Sachdeva 6242 @gmail.com. I know on the previous slide we wrote over there another email ID, so don't consider it. So please write your registered email ID. Okay. Yeah. So gender is male, female, or third gender. So Prachi, one of my favorite question, like private organization detail, what we have to put over there.
So exactly, you are right. This is one of the most recurring questions that we have been getting. So in the name of organization, because we are going on the behalf of Institut Français India, they are the one who are going to organize this program. So we are going to write the name of Institut Français India over here. In the address, you have to Google the address of Institut Français India and you have to just copy paste it. But the
Okay.
problem with this address is, Rahul will tell us.
The problem is there is a punctuation mark like comma and all, so we have to remove it.
So no special characters will be taken. So guys, remove whenever you will add the address of this organization, you have to remove all the special characters, otherwise the form will not be completed. So if you're getting a message to remove the special characters, then it means this.
Okay, I put the address. And Prachi, what we have to select in the criminal case detail? Yes or no?
Rahul, I don't have any criminal case details, so I will put a no. Now, if you have one, if you have committed any crime, you can write it yes.
Fortunately, I don't have, so I have to select no. Okay. So attached photo less than 20 KB,
Exactly.
and the residential proof, it could be your Aadhaar card, driving license, election ID card, electricity bill, passport, telephone bill. Okay, and whatever file you have, you will select. So the file should be less than 200 KB, guys. Okay. So the third is attached letter of agency requiring PCC. Prachi, what it is, like agency requiring PCC?
Now, this is the letter of agency. That means we are going through IFI, Institut Français India. So we have to put a mail to IFI saying that we need an official statement for applying for PCC. And then they will be sending us an email with an official statement or an official letter that you will be attaching over here. So you don't have to write your own letter over here. You just have to mail to IFI about the letters, asking for the letters, and then that is it. You have to fill this.
Okay. So should I attach the rent agreement over there?
No, Rahul. If you are a tenant, if tenant, then only attach agreement. I would recommend you to not do it, even if you are, because it's not mandatory to fill that particular field. So in the future, after filling all the forms and all the details, a policeman will come verify your details. So if required, they will ask you at the time of verification. Right now, it is not mandatory.
Okay, then the file should be less than 200 KB.
Right.
Pardon. So should I first save this document or directly pay now?
You can go to the option directly pay now, but I would recommend you to first save the file so that if by any chance you are not able to pay, then your details will be saved. You don't have to do the same process again and again. That will save you time. So first save the file and then click on pay now.
Okay, so after pay now,
so guys, we have
we will
already
get-
done that for you, and after saving the document and then after clicking pay now, you will be reached on this page. And
Okay,
when you will click on pay
so-
now,
and we need to select like MasterCard or Visa, whatever you have. Okay, and then you have to put your details and all. I'm not gonna
fill in
put my
the-
details. Yes, so the amount would be like 5 or 3.75 INR rupees, 503.75 rupees. Okay, so guys, after filling that information, we have to click on pay now button. So guys, I hope you get all the required information from us.
And guys, I hope we have cleared all your doubts and all your questions till now regarding how to fill police clearance certificate form. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us on leurrythmofrancais@gmail.com or simply comment in the comment section below. If you like our videos, then please comment to motivate us. And don't forget to
Like,
comment.
share, and guys, do not forget to subscribe our channel because we need your support and keep motivating us. Thank you guys, thank you very much.
Have a good day. Au revoir. Wait guys, in the next video, I'm going to tell you about the lettre de motivation, which is the most important question that everybody has been asking me, and about the documents that are required for the final assistant de l'anglais program. So guys, stay tuned and stay updated. Don't forget to click on the bell icon below and keep motivating us and keep supporting us guys. Bye. Love you.